our session Enter the Professional World LinkedIn. So, first of all, what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a social media platform primarily made for professional networking and communication. It is similar to Facebook or Insta. Or on Facebook or Insta, you can see what people are doing in their personal life. I mean, where are they right now, with whom they are going out, and what are they eating, etc. On LinkedIn, it is strictly related to professional life. Now you can see what your friends are doing at their work, at what stage of career they are right now, and what are the projects they are working on, etc. LinkedIn first of all started as a networking and communication site, but now it has evolved into a full-fledged job search platform. Many recruiters use LinkedIn to fill out any open positions they have at their company and organization. Next is creating a LinkedIn account. Now, while creating a LinkedIn account, there will be some primary information that LinkedIn will ask, like they will ask for your name, the school to which you went. Next is they can ask about your junior college. They will ask the university at which you studied, etc. And also, if you are a working professional, you can mention your previous companies and work experience plus. You can mention the current role you are working in. Next is location. Now you have to enter your location on LinkedIn so that it personalizes the content and you will get articles, news, posts, and job recommendation based on your location. Next one is importing contacts. Now you can link your phone book and your email book to your LinkedIn account so that you can see how many people you know already exist on LinkedIn, they have an account, and you can just send them connection requests without having to search for them individually. Next is profile photo. Now this is a very important step while making a LinkedIn profile, and we will see about this in a minute. Next is you can mention your interest. Now this will help LinkedIn to show posts related to your field of interest, and you will get latest information. Now the first one is choosing the right profile picture for you. Now why this is a very important step? Your profile picture is a window between you and the stranger looking at your profile. It is your first. It is many times your first impression of while anyone is looking at your profile. Now, how to get this right? The first thing to keep in mind is that you have to make this profile picture formal and professional. It shouldn't be casual and fancy. Next is you have to prefer close shots in which your face is clearly visible. Very long shots are usually not recommended for this. And also make sure while clicking photo, you are clicking in a well lit area for the same reason that your face should be clear. Next is adding a background photo. Now, along with the profile photo, you can also add a background photo. Now, this can be something that defines more about yourself and what you're doing right. For example, someone related to music industry can add any instruments photo or any photo of their live concert that they have performed. Or a gamer maybe can add his gaming setup to this photo. Next is headline. Now, headline is a short text that you tell about yourself. For student, it can include the year in which you are studying right now. It can include the degree you are pursuing. It can include the name of college or university in which you are studying. And for a working professional, it can be the role at which they are working right now and the organization or company's name in which they are working. Next is summary. Summary is a very short story of your life that you are living up till right now. Now this can include all the things from your childhood, like your primary schooling, your secondary schooling, your junior college experience. It can include your degree experience. Also, if you have done any internships or you have any work experience, you can mention it here. Also, if you are a working professional, you can write about the current role that you are playing in your organization. Next is growing your network. Now this is a very important step. You can just open an account and keep it as it is. The main aim is to increase your connections on LinkedIn, so it will help you to get an internship or job. So this is a very this doing growing your network as a very simple step. Whenever you meet new people, you can search them on LinkedIn. Also, you can search your friends, your colleagues, and peers on LinkedIn and send them connection requests. Next is declare a war on buzzwords. Now there are some words which are like overused on LinkedIn. They include specialized, focused, experienced, expert, creative, and certified. Now there is nothing wrong in using these words in your LinkedIn profile, but you have to make sure that your actions and your work speaks louder than these words in your profile. Next is listing your relevant skills on your profile. Now, many people have some extra skills possessed, like some may know MS Office, some may be good at video editing, some may know something about graphic designing, etc. So you can just mention those skills on your LinkedIn profile, and the one looking at your profile will get an idea about what things you can do. Next is taking skills assessment test. Now this is a feature provided by LinkedIn itself in which you can undergo a test related to your skill. The test is about of 15 questions like, and based on the score you get, LinkedIn will decide whether to put a verification badge on your skill that you have mentioned or not. Now this helps a lot because if you get that verification, it is a proof that the skills you have mentioned in your profile, you actually know about that skills and you have the knowledge about them. And also data shows that people having verified skills have 30% more chances to get hired for open position than the ones who don't have it. Next is endorsements. Now the skills that you have mentioned in your profile, people can endorse those skills. Like if you have mentioned graphic designing, your connections can endorse that skill, and it will look like graphic design endorsed by and the list of people that have endorsed that skill. Now this increases your reliability, and also it shows that the people know that you know that those skills and you can work with them. Now we will see about recommendations. Recommendation is a short piece of text that someone writes about you. They mention your qualities and the experience they had. Now, if you have worked under someone, you can ask them to recommend you on LinkedIn, and they can write. Now, we will see an example of recommendation here. Now, this is a recommendation given by Sanchita Goel, and it is taken and this is a photo from Saket's profile. Now she writes that about Saket and mentions his qualities that Saket is a person with immense knowledge and amazing content writing skills. He is highly professional and is always there to help. Saket has always gone an extra mile when it comes to work. He is amazing when it comes to communication and organizing. It is a pleasure to work with. Now you can ask your peers and your seniors or someone who experienced than you to recommend you on your program. Next is showcase your passion for learning. Now you can do this by two ways. First, there is a platform called LinkedIn Learning where you get multiple courses. You can choose between them, learn with those courses, and attach their certificate to your profile. Also, you can complete courses from other websites like Udemy, Coursera, etc. And you can attach those certificates to your profile. Next is sharing relevant content and following relevant influencers of your industry. Now, following relevant influences of your industry will make sure that you are pretty updated on the latest trends going on in your field of interest. You get the latest information, posts, news, articles about your field of interest, and also you can share your opinions and views about anything you read, and you can also read other people's opinions and views and expand your perspective about anything you read and anything you follow. So with this, we conclude this session and thank you for